You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this fruit, a food. If you want to learn more food names that are confusing in English vocabulary, stay tuned. More pronunciations coming up. English pronunciation: lucuma, lucuma. Easy once you know the stress goes on the first syllable. In British and American English, pronunciations are similar. Lucuma. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.